Hello, my name is Iphie and I am here live at Obudu Mountain to tell you what it takes to get to Obudu Mountain Resort. First and foremost, Obudu is a town in Crossriver State, Crossriver, Nigeria. From all over the world, you can get to Obudu through different means. You can fly into Lagos or Abuja. Like myself and my friend, we came in through Lagos via Ibom Air. We flew from Lagos to Calabar. You can also fly from Lagos to Enugu. I think we'll be going through Enugu because the road trip is shorter. So when you get to Calabar, when we got to Calabar, we did about 6 hours road trip to Obudu. Okay? When we got to Obudu, it was pretty late, so we slept in the town. And from the town to the mountain resort, as in up the hill, is an additional 1 hour. Okay? So, but if you're coming through Enugu, it's 3 hours from Enugu to Obudu. I think if you're coming from Abuja, you can do a road trip. So guys, at the entrance, you pay at the gate, you pay 200 naira per person. So because we are two, I paid for myself and my friend. Here we have Bartholomew. So can you tell us a little about the ranch? Okay, from here we have 11 kilometers up, 22 U-bend, and then the height is 1,556 meters above the sea level. Then up there we have 6 villages up there. The weather up there is very cool. Okay, thank you, Bartholomew. So guys, this place is so beautiful. You need the landscape. It is so beautiful. Can you guys imagine? I have arrived over the mountain resort safely, and we are lodging at the resort. There are actually different levels of accommodation. There's one they called Abebe Lodge, which is much cheaper. They have Donald Duke's Lodge, which is much cheaper. But this one is the government-owned lodge, the main lodge, the main resort. That's the Obudu Mountain Resort, right? You can lodge in any of those places. So because we are just two, myself and my friend, we are taking their single double room, which can sleep 2 people. Yeah. So let's do a tour of the room. Okay, this is the entrance. Okay, there's actually low lights. There's no lights because they made mention of the fact that they don't have lights, but they usually power their gen or something around from 6 p.m. till the next day. Because when we asked why, they said aside the fact that they don't have lights, that during the day we're going for tours. Okay, that's fine, provided I have my devices charged to do whatever I want. So we are here in Obudu. I'm going to show you all the fun things to do in Obudu. So stay. This is the mountain villa. So lovely. The mountain villas are 3-bedroom apartments, and it goes for 75,000 naira. The African hut. Tomorrow an array of African huts here. So this African hut goes for 28,500 naira a night as of today. We are in the month of June 2021. So the African hut has 2 rooms inside, okay, and that 2 rooms can sleep 2 persons each. So what it means is that about 4 persons can stay in the African hut comfortably. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Let's help you plan this Obudu trip from anywhere you are all over the world. I can help you plan a trip to Obudu. See, imagine waking up to this view. right? You can see the clouds, literally. We're in the clouds.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's a beautiful day today at Obudu Resort. So we are heading out. We want to go to do the tours, the Canopy Walkway, the Grotto, the Holy Mountain. We are all gagged up. We are not smiling. See a very so guys. Let's get going.
So guys, we are on our way to the Canopy Walkway now. That is the first tour we are doing today. So let's get going. We are currently entering the Canopy Walkway. You can see my friend Ebere from afar. Yes. So this is where Gold Ultimate Search Season, I think 2006 happened. So this is such a historical place. And I'm I'm so happy that I'm here. So this is it. Canopy Walkway. Monkey what? Monkey face. Okay. Okay, there are actually monkeys here as well. But it's not like they are coming to grab us. They live in the valley, so we might not even meet them. So this is the entrance. This is where the journey begins. The survival of the fittest. Okay, I was just told that the Canopy Walkway is 50 meters. At that end. Just remember. I am a strong woman. No? Ah. Oh God. Guys, it's gonna come out. It's not an easy something. This the coming up, guys. It's not that it's not something that you can do, but it's fine though. So where are we heading next, bros? Where are we heading to? Where the helicopters land. In case you're coming with the helicopter, yeah. And this is the retest viewpoint. Oh guys, can you see nature? Just imagine. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, can you hit on the subscription button and subscribe? The retest viewpoint. This is so. Okay guys, this is the cable car. Unfortunately, I will not be entering the cable car today, but I've entered it once. I think in 2018, yes. I live in California. So I've entered the cable car once. It was quite a thrilling experience. So the cable car is, I think it's about 5,000. So and so. From each cable car contains about 4 on this side and 4 on the other side. So hopefully when you come, because I know you will come, I want you to come and experience it. When you come, the cable car will be going now and you get to ride on it. Guys, this is the Holy Mountain. You can see the views. Has anyone ever seen this type of view? If you have, let me know in the comment section. Have anyone seen this type of view? Just take a look. Okay, I was just being told that this place is called the Holy Mountain because when the missionaries came, they were looking for somewhere to pray. And they came here to pray. Right? Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Imagine. See nature. And after the missionaries prayed here, this place was now named the Holy Mountain. Okay guys, we're headed to the Grotto now. Okay guys, can you see? Natural Christmas tree. Still on our way, descending down to the Grotto. Naturous, imagine, just imagine. I can hear the sound of the water from the waterfall. Easy. Okay guys, this is the Grotto mini waterfall. This is beautiful. Wow! Woo. Trip comes to an end. We are leaving the resort now. We are heading to Enugu, where we'll take our flight to Lagos. So I'm sure coming back to Obudu. See the weather. It's morning. It's about 9 a.m. See how the weather is. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna miss this apartment. So if you would like to come to Obudu, remember that I'm here to help you plan to make your trip a seamless one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next